Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from ScanAvenger. This is the ScanAvenger SA9200 wireless portable Bluetooth barcode scanner with stand, and this is going to be great if you're going to be doing inventory. Maybe you own a small business, or maybe you own a large business. This will definitely do the job of scanning your 1D and 2D barcodes for your inventory purposes. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's everything that you get once you get it out of the box. We're going to take a look at everything here. The first couple things that you're going to want to pay attention to are these little cards that you get, and of course the user manual. This is very important, and the reason why is because inside the user manual you're going to have barcodes that you can scan to set certain specifications for the device itself. Now here are all of the specs on this device, and you can see that here. And I'll leave it up at this point in the video, so if there's anything that I missed, you guys can come back and check it out. Now, as you can see, there are barcodes to put these into different modes. If you want to scan connected via Bluetooth, you can scan the Bluetooth mode and then pairing. Same thing with the 2.4 gigahertz mode, and then you can pair with the dongle. So this is how you'll connect to two different modes here for connections. There's also turning off the beeps, lowering the volume, putting your sleep time intervals, and much more. So you're going to want to hold on to this guide to make sure that you can reference this when you need to. Make sure you hold on to it. They include also two quick cards here for doing kind of the same thing for Bluetooth connections, normal scan speed, synchronous mode, data upload, and storage modes. All come on these quick cards as well, so they do give you some extras here, which is excellent. Hold on to all of these because you will need them to program the scanner itself. Now it comes with a standard USB connector here, and one end is going to go into the back of the base. The other end will go to your PC if you're going to be connected to a PC or a laptop. You don't necessarily have to be. There is room enough for 200,000 barcodes. Only 16 megabytes of memory, but barcodes don't take up that much memory. So you can use it in standalone and then upload it later as well. Now you do have a USB Type A to USB Type C, and that is for charging the scanner gun itself. If you just want to charge the battery without the stand, you can plug it in with this cable and you can charge it up. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge the gun from zero. It has a 2000 milliamp battery in it that can do up to 48 hours of continuous use. You also get a standard 2.4 gigahertz dongle here, which you can connect directly to your PC or laptop, or if you're going to use the stand, you have a USB port on the back that you can do as well as a pass-through to your laptop or your PC. So you can use the stand to charge and also connect the dongle as well. It's kind of an all-in-one deal, and it makes everything centralized and easy. Now looking at the dock is pretty nice. It's got a 4 feet on the bottom of it that are going to keep it in place on your desk, which is really nice. And it's got a little LED here that will tell you when everything is charged up. 2 pogo pins here and on the interior of the stand, so that when you slot it into place, it will start charging the scanner gun as well. So that's really nice. Now as far as the scanner gun goes, it's a very comfortable hold. LED on the top. It's made out of plastic, but there are some rubber elements to it as well, so it's pretty durable here. You can see when we open this up, it also has a light to illuminate your barcodes, which I like as well. Again, you can store up to 200,000 barcodes on here, doing 1D and 2D barcodes, and I'll post a list of the kinds of barcodes that it supports. And as you can see, it is quite a lot. It's very comfortable hold and lightweight, so if you need to do a very large inventory, you're not going to have to worry here. And overall, nice construction from ScanAvenger. Now, the first way you'll hook this up is going to be your traditional way, wired to a PC or a laptop. This will also work with a Mac. It'll work with Android. It'll work with Linux. It'll work with several others as well. So you've got yourself covered here as far as that goes. Now, again, connecting to a laptop or computer and pairing with the dongle is simple. All you have to do is scan the barcode to put it in 2.4 gigahertz mode, and then pair it with the dongle. And the dongle is great because what happens with the dongle is that it's driver free. So you don't have to worry about installing drivers on your PC or laptop. Quick, easy, stable setup with up to 493 feet of distance between you and the dongle. You should be good to go. Okay, so I wanted to set this up on Bluetooth with my tablet just to do a quick demonstration about how the 9200 performs in scanning in barcodes. So I've got the device here, and I also have, of course, pairing into Bluetooth, which is very simple and easy to do. You're going to want to put it in Bluetooth mode by scanning the first Bluetooth mode barcode here. And then you're going to want to scan the pair with Bluetooth. So super fast and super easy to get these scanned and put in the proper mode. So let's do that now. We'll set this up. And you can see it was that simple and that easy. I am now ready to pair with Bluetooth. The LED is blinking blue on the top of the unit, and I'll go to Bluetooth on my device. And available devices, it shows up as the ScanAvenger HID. So now all I have to do is click on that, and I will get a pairing request from my tablet. And once we select that, I am now paired to my tablet and ready to scan in barcodes. Now the light is a solid blue, letting me know that I have a connection, and I'm good to go. Now, of course, with Bluetooth, we'll get a reduced range because it is Bluetooth and not 2.4 gigahertz. So instead of 498, we're going to get about 98 feet or 30 meters. You can see how quickly this scans things in. No problems whatsoever scanning this into a document. I'm just taking random barcodes and scanning them multiple times to show you exactly how quick it is to scan them in and have them put into a sheet for inventory and that type of thing. So very quick, very efficient, and very easy. So there you go. That's my review of the ScanAvenger SA9200 Bluetooth portable barcode scanner with stand. This is an excellent device to have, again, if you have inventory you need to scan in, lots of different numbers, being able to be either locally stored or just in real time scanned into your applications. It be Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, whatever you can think of, this will connect to pretty much. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. It's definitely fast and fluid, lightweight, and comfortable. If you're looking for a barcode scanner, you might want to check this one out from ScanAvenger. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.